So this is how we jive for mass communication. Here I'm again with another video. In this when I'm going to show you how you can set up your Mac Mini M4 for the first time. So I'm using a setup of dual monitor here. You can use 3 monitor as well. So you have to connect all the cable ports. I'm using Thunderbolt, a converter with HDMI to Thunderbolt directly, and another converter for the mouse and keyboard, C port to normal USB, and power cord connected. So I hit the power button. After hitting the power button, you will see this screen, welcome in different languages. So we are here in the setup. You have to decide your language. I put here English
as the main language. Press the return key.
Hit the next button. So we are here in Spain now. I hit next button. Choose your country according to where you are. Hit continue. So here the keyboard and mouse, I have 2 languages, English and Spanish, both for my keyboards. I hit continue here. Here accessibility, not now. Now we have to put the password here of internet, your Wi-Fi. After putting internet, I'll be back. Hit continue after putting the passwords. Hit continue. Data and privacy. You want to install the backup of everything from another Mac computer. Choose the first option from Windows. And if you want to install it as a new computer, hit not now. I'm gonna install as a new computer, not now. Now you have to put your Apple ID and password. I'll put Apple ID and password. I will be back. Accept term and condition, everything. Hit agree. If you want to put a password, put a password. If you don't want, hit continue. So you have to put a password, yes or yes. So you see is loading iCloud, other information. It may take time. Here this is Apple AI. If you want to continue with that, hit Apple Intelligence in beta version. You can see here welcome to Mac. So hit continue at the bottom. Hit continue. It's done. I think this is Sequoia, the last version of OS of Mac in this case. So enjoy. Here you see all the information, Safari browser you have. Okay guys, if you like this video, please do subscribe to my channel. If you like this segment, please give me a thumbs up. Take care till then, bye.